In this 60 seconds traffic review, I will be taking you through this awesome product called 60 seconds traffic review and how it can help to completely transform your online business. I want to start by addressing all those struggling with their online business out there. We all know that everyone wants to leverage small things into big things because you never, ever want to exchange dollars for hours like you do at a day job. Not if you want to become wealthy, that is. And more, the key to wealth online, or anywhere else, is to create leverage. And that, my friend, brings us to this amazing new online income app I just recently discovered. If you're really tired of having a $0 balance in your PayPal, ClickBank, and other online accounts, I've got a very pleasant and exciting news for you. And 60-second traffic offers real, 100% free unlimited traffic on tap for literally everybody. They have got an ultra-wide range of 60-second traffic app users from all across the globe, users with a wide variety of online business and income needs, wants, and goals. So please do not wait any longer and jump right into this review to get more details. I have included the link to get 60 seconds traffic at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Before I proceed, I need to say that in the event that you are on this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that whenever we upload educative and inspiring videos like this one, you can see it very quickly. Likewise, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. 60-second traffic review. About the product: the all-new patent-pending, 60-second traffic, free traffic app builds a following of tens of thousands of people for its users on autopilot, guaranteeing free clicks, leads, and commissions to virtually any affiliate link or offer, in just 60 seconds a pop. All you need is just to follow these 3 main steps. Step 1. You log into the app. Step 2. You schedule your free traffic to any affiliate or offer link. Step 3. You sit back while our app sends you the traffic like an obedient little robot, and that's literally all there is to it. Summary. All in all, this is 100% recommended for anyone who want to get complicated and time-consuming tasks off their hands but still getting the profit from online platforms. First ever patent-pending free traffic app. Schedule 100% free traffic in 60 seconds, delivered on autopilot. Deliver thousands of free leads and buyers to any link. Nothing else like it. New free source. Instant, fast, and free. Get free clicks, leads and sales today. Works in any niche. 100% newbie friendly. No cap on free daily clicks. Supplement the autopilot lifestyle. 60-second traffic review. About the creator Brian Winters. This unique and powerful software is brought to you by Brian Winters, a seasoning vendor who accumulated massive amount in experience and expertise in the field of online marketing. He has been an online marketer and software developer for over the past few years, having done multiple 6-figure product launches, webinar promos and running multiple successful YouTube channels, on top of all the other cool things he and his team does. Some of his remarkable launches in this lucrative field are Stacker, Shuffler, Stacker Mega Launch, Stuff My Inbox, 5FIGUREDAY Full Throttle Diddly Pay Pro, Shop Monopoly, Monster Mode 700K. 60-second traffic review. About its amazing features. The rule for this product is this: every 60 seconds of your time should result in at least 60 minutes worth of income results. So for example, if you spend 60 seconds doing some task online, or off, the results should be equivalent to if you'd worked at least 1 full hour. With 60-second traffic, you're doing a 60-second task and getting paid just as if you'd worked an hour or even a day or even a month. You do not need a list or autoresponder to use 60 Street. But if you want to build a list from scratch or add to an existing one, 60st traffic is perfect for getting leads into your Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, GoGVO, Traffic Wave, Constant Contact, and virtually any autoresponder or list app on the market. And in addition to lead getting, 60st is the perfect free traffic app to fuel your WarriorPlus.com commissions. PayPal commissions. ClickBank commissions. JV commissions. Infusionsoft commissions. Nanocast commissions. And commissions on virtually any payment or affiliate platform. And as long as your offer is family friendly, you can instantly schedule free traffic to be sent to any offer. In other words, 60st is your one-stop shop for sending thousands of free clicks to just about any ethical offer you can imagine. I have included the link to get 60 seconds traffic at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. 60-second traffic review. How to use this product. Let me show you how to easily put this software into operation in just a few simple steps. Log in. First thing first, you need to log into your account. 60-second traffic 1. Join Facebook ad groups. Next, if you haven't joined any ad groups on Facebook, you need to follow the instructions and join at least 3 listed groups on the software, up to 10. Share this ad. With each ad you post, you are required to share an ad of another member of the Facebook groups you have just joined. Simply click on copy and share the ad easily on your social platforms. Post your own ads. After sharing the ad in the above section, now you are eligible for your own ad. With this feature, you need to enter your ad text together with your link, choose the category and then simply click post it. Upon finishing, your ad will be featured on 60st community dashboard where everyone can see and share on their social platforms just like you did for them. 60-second traffic 4-3. Account settings. You can also edit your profile such as change the avatar, your name on the account, which is also important as it will attract the attention from other users on the community dashboard. 60-second traffic 5. Feature it. After your original ad is posted, the system will make another duplicate to show at the top of the 60st homepage when your original post being pushed down at the bottom, on autopilot. 60-second traffic 6. Why do I recommend this app? Here's why 60-second traffic is the ultimate no-brainer for anybody who wants to start getting thousands of free leads, traffic and sales online. First off, this is the way in which you can leapfrog from underdog to living the 60-second lifestyle. If you're sick and tired of having an empty PayPal, and online accounts with $0 balances and are willing to try something brand new and stupid easy to supplement accounts, then this online income app that's so new and different from everything else out there is the perfect choice for you. With 60-second traffic, there's absolutely none of the following as list building, social media, audience, needed, search engine optimization, website building, building groups or social media pages or even traffic getting experience needed whatsoever. Your traffic potential is unlimited and fully scalable. There is no cap. You will receive thousands upon thousands of clicks the more you use the app by scheduling traffic to your favorite links. Moreover, the posting interface is quite literally the most simple thing you've ever seen online. This patent-pending app lets you schedule fast, free clicks and traffic to any affiliate or offer link you want in just 60 seconds flat and starts sending you as many as 150 plus clicks a pop, over and over again, guaranteeing 60st app users fresh free clicks, leads, and commissions daily. And it works its magic by building a list of online followers for its users on autopilot, meaning you don't have to build a following because it's all 100% done for you. 60-second traffic pro feedback. 60-second traffic review, price and evaluation. The front end. I am glad to tell you that even though being jam-packed with amazing features, it is sold with such a reasonable price of $17. To be honest, this is such a no-brainer compared with the majority products sold out there. Granted, all the amazing features and potential you get from purchasing this app will surely make it worth it even more. However, I advise you not to wait for long because soon enough, the price will jump up even more and you will regret not making the decision earlier. Big order button. The UPSELLS. Moreover, if you want to boost your online marketing experience to a higher level, reduce more time and effort, then you should also have a look at the upsells below. OTO1 to 60 Streets 500 Daily Clicks Machine, $47. The 60st Basic app allows you to schedule, run up to 15 ads on our network per day. OTO1 unlocks unlimited free daily ads for users. 60-second traffic pro OTO1. OTO2 to 60 streets free traffic Autobot, $67. This exciting upgrade gives our 60STU the ability to automatically feature your regular ads, effectively doubling their traffic and exposure on complete autopilot. 60-second traffic pro OTO2. OTO3 to 60 streets free $700 ads generator, $67. OTO3 unlocks the super feature tool, which in turn enables 60ST app users to post additional, completely different ads on the network, essentially banner ads that run for 30 days straight, each, on the network. You can expect hundreds and even 1,000s of additional free clicks on complete autopilot with this upgrade. 60-second traffic pro OTO3. OTO4 to 60 streets $1,000 payday widget, $97. Takers of OTO4 are automatically monetized with a total of 7 back-end offers, including a high-ticket webinar offer that pays up to $1,000 a pop. 60-second traffic pro OTO4. OTO5 to 60 streets 6-figure cruise club, $197. Takers of OTO5 are set up with 6 additional income streams, multiple streams of income, delivered in the form of getting instant, fully upgraded access to 6 of other best-selling income systems. These include Stacker, Shuffler, Monster Mode and more $1,000 worth of award-winning income systems at a fraction of the regular price. 60-second traffic pro OTO5. 60-second traffic review. Who is this for? All in all, this is 100% recommended for anyone who want to get complicated and time-consuming tasks off their hands but still getting the profit from online platforms. If you are business owners, publishers, brands, agencies, startups, product creators, bloggers, freelancers, influencers, and the list still goes on, you should take into consideration of purchasing this product. In conclusion, with all the detailed information I have provided, I hope you can have a deep insight into this package. Please put in mind that the price will increase shortly after the special launch ends. Therefore, it's best for you to take action now to close the best deals. Wishing you the very best in your online business, marketing, and thank you for taking your time to watch my 60-second traffic review. I have included the link to get 60 seconds traffic at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Lastly, remember to click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that whenever we upload educative and inspiring videos like this one, you can see it very quickly. Likewise, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.